1968 Ford F-250 pickup. Mileage says 67,385. Now, according to the steering wheel, I think it's been once around. Anyway, the project we're working on is the rear view mirror. And we glued on with epoxy the metal attachment. And in the previous video we showed how we held it on there with Gorilla 5-minute epoxy with some tape, and we let it set more than 5 minutes. And that's about all. And we used a piece of tape on the outside of the windshield to locate it. So this truck is available. It's a 68 with a 390 modified engine with a better camshaft. It's called a towing RV type camshaft, and an Eldebrock manifold with a AFB carburetor. Everything works well here. Flowmaster exhaust. Anyway, I'll put this mirror back on now that we see how it's done. Just slide that back on there, and it just fits on there. And that's about all to installing the rear view mirror. So until later, we'll show you in the next video the motor. It's a Cobra jet, Cobra power, 390 cubic inches.